Okay, I'm going to take you on another road in North Omaha. This one is so bad that you can't drive faster than about 5 miles an hour on it. And if you look at it, it's like the surface of the moon. Okay, it smooths out for a little bit, and then you get right back into it again. Unbelievable. Why don't they pave these roads in the city, huh? Omaha, Nebraska. What the heck's up with that?